Well, good morning everyone and welcome back to another video. I hope you're well. So today you join me in my hotel room where I'm here for another 3 nights. I spent last night here and it was just plush, it's lovely. I've got my lovely big bed, king size bed, which I haven't made this morning. I've got my camera down there because I've done a little time lapse this morning overlooking the city because we're on the 30th floor. My vertigo was playing with me. It's weird, I'm going to do aerial photography in a plane and a helicopter one day, and I'm in the 25th floor and I'm getting vertigo. I'm not going to do well in that, am I? It's just one of those things I've got to overcome. But yeah, I've done a little time lapse of the road down there below and then some of the construction work. So it'll be interesting putting that little thing together. I'm just going to maybe just share as a quick little video on my Instagram account, and maybe I might share something here on YouTube as well. Photo walk. And I wasn't going to hit up any companies for giveaways or gifts or anything like that to give out to people, but my good friend at CR Kennedy hooked me up. Now this isn't sponsored, well it is actually sponsored, the photo walk, but it's not a sponsored video. So what he provided me with is a bunch of lens cleaning cloths, which are, you know, in my opinion are really important. You know, they go a long way. I get years of use out of them because I wash them. So the way I wash them is just under the tap, no chemicals, nothing. Just give them a rinse out, wring them out, and then hang them out to dry, and they're good to go. You don't want to put any detergents or conditioner or anything because it's just going to cause them to clump up and just start to smear your lenses. So yeah, they're really handy. So I've got a bunch of those. I can't pick up enough. This is less than half. And I've got like 4 of these, which they are a keychain digital card holder. So I'm assuming you put your card in there, which is kind of handy. I normally put mine in a wallet, so yeah, but I'm not keeping these. So I'm going to keep one of those lens cloths, one of those packs. What I was thinking of doing for today is maybe buying myself a disposable film camera and just getting out there and taking some photos with, you know, cheap basic film camera. And I actually was given 4 of these to give away to participants who attend my get together today, my photo walk, my free photo walk in the city. So I'm going to keep one of these for myself. I've got another 3 to hand out, and I'm going to challenge people to not use their digital camera and to use the film camera. It's cheap, it's basic. I think the apertures are like f11, or maybe it could be f8. ISO 400, I reckon the shutter speed is probably around 400th of a second. You can't change it, so it's fixed, and it's a half frame. So all your shots are vertical, and if you want to do a landscape shot, you've got to turn it on the side. But it's got a little cool little viewfinder there. I don't like disposable film cameras because it's such a waste. You know, once you've used these, you basically throw it away, and that's what's happening. There are ways you can make them, you know, reuse it, but it's an absolute faff. You're going to hand those out, and I do have a little selfie tripod. It must be somewhere here. Oh yeah, here it is. It's just under all a load of those lens cloths, which will be really handy for anyone looking to get into vlogging themselves, or, you know, on their holiday snaps taking a little selfie. But since you can also use it as a little tripod, it'd be great for if you want to do some time lapses, some long exposure photography on your phone. So if you don't have a lot of money, or you don't want to, you know, bring out your main camera kit, you can use this guy. So yeah, everything in this video that I've mentioned, I'm not sponsored by the company, I'm not being paid or affiliated with them. All I've got is gifts to give away to lucky people who are attending today's event. I didn't want it to be like, you know, the removalists come here, I go into the city, I don't have anything from the city to share with you, which I feel like is a shame, and then, you know, me hopping on a plane and flying back to England. So I wanted something in that slot, and that is what this video is going to be. Actually, we'll probably unload this little guy. Let's undo a little unboxing video. Hang on. Yeah, let's do a little unboxing. So, of this little guy. So how do I get into this box? I don't want to damage it. I'll probably try and be a bit nice about this. So yeah, I've got 3 of these, or 3 others that I'll give away. I've got one person who is a deaf guy, and I've told him to have a go, and there's nothing wrong. There's no, even if you fail, the only thing you're going to waste money on, if it doesn't work, is the development costs. And I'm not going to outlay those costs. I don't have a hookup that way, but there's a company I could ask, but I don't want to be rude. I don't want to, it's nothing that they're going to really get any benefit from, because there hasn't been that rapport on like this project. So yeah, okay, so this through this nice little bag, which is more plastic, which is going to go in landfill. And then yeah, we've got a nice little disposable film camera with a little flash. It's so basic, and it gives you tips as well how to wind on the film. A person from 1 to 3 meters in front of you, flash off outdoors, and so I'm guessing it's no autofocus, it's manual focus, or it's fixed focus, so anything from a meter to infinity is in focus. So yeah, it must be about an f8. What does it look like to look through? That's not too bad. It's actually quite a nice aspect ratio, half frame. Is that right? It doesn't look right. I guess it is, yeah. Yeah, it would be right, yeah. I'm so used, when I see like looking for a medium format, that's what I'm used to. It looks like that. That's a nice aspect ratio. This looks like if it is equivalent to this focal length, it looks like it's equivalent to something. It's quite tight, so I'm hoping the framing will be similar. There'll be a slight variation, but I'm guessing it's probably like a 35mm focal length, which is quite nice. It's not too wide, it's not too tight. Alright, so I've just had my shower and I put my beard product in, so it's looking a lot better than what it was earlier. It was a bit scruffy and I'm feeling great. Just got to grab my bottle of Coke out the fridge. Yeah, so got some nice bit of sustenance, something to drink. Don't have much in there, but we're going to be only out there for about 2 hours. It's a little bit warm today. It's about 27 or 28. It's going to be a bit warmer in the sun. But we're only going to be out there for 2 hours, as I said, and if I haven't already mentioned. And yeah, go for a nice little walk, not too fast, and make our way back to the Novotel on Murray Street. We're going to finish up, have some drinks, have some food, and have a bit of a nice chat. Good to. It's not just about taking photos. It's about networking. It's about meeting people and socialising. So yeah, going to put this in my bag and head out. You're not going to walk, are you? Just that light. I want that little slip of light. Oh shit, now the traffic. No, don't park there, car. Why am I looking in the back of the camera?
Hi.
Hello. This really needs a grid in here so you can sort of see, because if you bring your eye too close, oh I don't know if it's the field of view, and then if you shift left or right then it changes your composition, your framing. Yeah, it's not the best. I've got a composition over here. Wow. I've got to do some automotive photography. Get this car, getting the shot of this car, the Jeep. Hope that works. No idea. It's probably too dark. Well, this is nice, this road. I came down here not long ago. I thought it was it's a nice one.
It's a pub under there.
Oh, is there a pub?
Yeah. Like that. Shall we walk into the Oscar?
Oh, he's got a flat. A flat. Oh, yeah. Don't understand that. That guy was driving around on a flat tyre. He could have just pulled over, put the spare on. Maybe he just doesn't know how to change his tyre. Maybe he doesn't have a spare tyre. But yeah, I'm just going to get some shots around here while one of our members on the walk is going for a little bit of a toilet break. But yeah, this camera is pretty nice to use. There are some drawbacks to it, but I think the drawbacks to it add to the characteristic of the camera and makes it fun. So currently I've just noticed in the wall here, they filled in a window rather nicely with the old brick, and it looks pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not sure if it's going to show up on film, but since this is half frame, I can just shoot like this, and it's a vertical composition. I've got 17 frames, so I'm going to get a shot of that now. Oh god, I think this is a 35mm focal length, so it's quite tight. I've got no idea if I got it all in frame because the viewfinder is rubbish, and you're not looking through the lens either. So yeah. If there's anything else. There's an art gallery through there for photography. I remember coming here once. I was going to do I was thinking about doing exhibitions here and stuff, and it just didn't work for what I wanted. This is nice. I like the look at this. The part of the building there coming out, juxtaposed out. The window here, I mean the gutter there with the other window. You can get a bit of that. There is like an air conditioning unit or something there. I don't like, something modern. I can come round, just get that little spot there. I think that'll be great. So I'll get that now. It's not perfect. I wish I had a longer lens. This is the funness of this. And you've really got to play with your composition. Yeah. So what I've done is a third of the building there, that third, and then that as a third. So it layers. You've got the old, you've got the new, you've got the old. Hopefully that works out. I've got no idea. As I said, the viewfinder on this, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, not ideal. It's worth looking through that, trust me. Anyway, let's take a few more photos around here. Maybe this little scene right here, there's a lady coming through. So if she walks through, I'll get the shot. Perfect. Hi there.
Car through the sand dunes up over the thing, and about 2 or 3 weeks later I realised I'd lost 2 lenses, or 2 filters.
Oh.
There's a my 10 stopper and my polarizer.
I'm back at my hotel room now, and that was a fantastic photo walk. Not too many people showed. I was expecting some other friends that weren't able to make it. But my friend Warren was able to make it, and he's down in the lobby right now having some drinks. My friend Nevitz also treated us to some beers, so gonna go back down there now, just drop my camera bag off, and we're gonna hit the town, get something to eat and drink some more. So yeah, it's been fun. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to bringing you along on future adventures and journeys. So yeah, if you have liked this video and you'd like to see more, be sure to subscribe. And if you've liked this video, be sure to hit the like button down below. And if you've got any questions, if you'd like to say anything, be sure to pop it down in the comments section below. Anyway, I'm Simon, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now, everyone.